Hey, welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? Today we are back to embellish our rainbow eucalyptus tree. So, without further ado, let's get down on the canvas and see what we can make happen.
try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beats with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
See the truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
Here are the dried results of my Rainbow Eucalyptus tree swipe, all embellished with leaves and branches. I really like the way this turned out. I wasn't very motivated to get back to it. Something about once I'm done with what I consider the challenging part, I'm just not interested. But I took myself upstairs last night and embellished with more limbs and leaves. And I think it turned out pretty well, actually. I'm pretty pleased with the entire thing. What do you think? What do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you like this comment. Make sure that you're subscribed and you have the bell rung so you know when I'm making new content. It is really windy out here today. Yeah, leave me a comment because I like talking to y'all. It's fun. And I will see you next time.